Plaza de la Villa Vilanova go through. Here we have the men that was practicing or making 4, 5, 6 with a needle. So it's a construction where you first build a tower of 4 people by level, and then you dismantle it, as we will see here, via a pillar. Which we have crowned there. No, not yet. There. This is a relatively simple construction, but we are still in very early stages of the season. So these are the men's Salva and Trail in the Plaza de la Villa, Vilanova Road 3, Catalonia, 2011. Here we have a Pilar Samani, so it's girls on all levels here. We don't know about the badge, so it wouldn't surprise me if the badge is a woman as well.